Entry team, TOC reporting, active link. Secondary team.
Why would they leave the CCTVs unattended?
Police, down on the ground! Drop your weapons! Hands up, now! Put your hands up! Police, don't move! Police, get down! Stay down. Where the hell did you guys come from? Suspect is in our custody. Requesting transport.
Command, E platoon, oversight feed is live. Restraint verified, maintain field readiness.
Hands on your head! Down on your knees! Slowly! Hands up, asshole! Now! Giving up! Turn around, don't get up. Shit! Leave the talk. The suspect is secured.
This is TOC, with FISA on overwatch. Detainment successful. FISA logging full
Hands
report.
on your head, do it now!
Judge, this is
Get down and keep your hands up!
Suspect has been blocking and hijacking our comms, and we're still trying to get around it. We can override them long enough to hold it. Can you confirm the visual?
Enter team to talk. We have one suspect in custody. Move there. Get down now!
You're only helping this unfold.
Do not move. Drop it and get down!
Hands that bind.
Look away, don't move. Move towards me. Move over there. Move forward. This is procedure.
You'll want to hold on to something when this is over.
TOC, we have a suspect in our custody.
We have movement.
Element to TOC. Suspect standing by for transportation.
There's this veil that rests over your eyes. Let me remove it for you.
Get on the ground now! Hands up! Above your head! Get on the fucking ground! Do it now! Drop it now! Stay quiet. Leave the talk. Suspect, get to the exit.
Embrace this.
entry team to talk. Civilian cuffed and prepped for evac. Put the weapon down!
The pattern is complete.
You're under arrest. Do
Where
not
exactly
move.
where we belong? Eyes on the vessel. He's
You
here.
need to relax.
Yes. Yes.
Talk. Suspect in custody. Drop the weapon and put your hands up! Get down! I want to see hands! Drop the weapon now! Get down on the floor right now! Stay still. Do not move.
Police!
Don't make this worse on yourself.
I won't talk.
Element to talk. We got a suspect here ready for trailers.
It is only the beginning.
Doc, 5 D platoon. Interference is getting stronger. You may be getting closer to the transmitter site. Securing it and establishing control is vital.
They'll come for us, right? They have to.
Doc, we found something. A laptop and a frequency emitter.
FISA intel says this might be the device we're looking for. Upload the receiver logs and we'll be able to prevent detonation with a spoofed frequency.
I'm just with the media, please. You can still get out of this.
Get down!
Do it now!
Get down on the ground now!
Don't shoot!
I need you to move. Stay where you are. Calm down.
Elevators are down.
Lead the talk. Suspect in custody. Compliant. Move and stay there. We're gonna get you out of here.
Please tell me the mayor is okay.
Enter team talk. We have an individual in custody.
It's the most prized custody of all.
You don't need me. I don't matter
Disarming.
here.
No one's coming to save you this time.
Hands up! Drop the weapon and put police get down on the ground!
Let's lie down.
Relax.
Before the world can stand again.
Stay still.
There's people still in the
In
building.
our reformation,
Move to my
we'll
front.
shape destiny.
Don't you fucking move.
False fathers. Do you know him?
Talk. Suspect restrained and under our control.
Ending for you.
Close the file. On the mission. But you can't close what's inside you.
Element to talk. We have a civilian in custody and ready for transport.
I can talk to the police. They'll listen.
One day, a strange man will come to visit you. Don't accept his offer. The last stone in the new foundation, pressed by your own steady hand.
Watch my back. Disarming.
Look, I'm a reporter. Whatever message you need to get out there, I can do it, okay?
They told you we were monsters.
Drop the weapon now! Police don't fucking move! Police, get down!
You can come.
Stay down and turn around.
Oh, spotted.
Stay down.
Each arrest.
Leave the talk. One suspect in custody, compliant.
Relocation is meaningless. Wherever you go, we're already there.
I can pull strings at the network. Anything you need.
Did you really think we wouldn't fight you?
Oh my God. Oh God.
Disarming trap. weapon! Police, you're under arrest!
Surrender!
Hands on your... Drop the weapon! Police, drop the weapon! Dynamic movement, flash and clear. Turn around, keep your hands up. Turn around, move over here. Turn around slowly.
What the hell?
Turn around and stay still. Get down! I want to see you get down on the ground! Put your fucking hands up! Police, get down! Hands up now! Drop to your knees! Move to the sound of my voice. Turn around, don't get up. Don't resist. Move towards me. Move forward.
Please, I don't want to be here
Do
anymore.
not move. I need you to
Drop your
move.
weapons! Fuck!
Look away. Don't move. Entry team to talk. We have a suspect in custody.
Your bravado is nothing so
Suspect is restrained and ready to train us.
we admire you.
Element to talk. Suspect standing by for transport.
When I get out, first person I'm coming to see is you.
Freeze! Hands up! Drop the weapon! Get down! Now!
I'm dropping it!
Provide cover. Move over here. This is procedure.
How the fuck am I supposed to get out of here now?
Police!
Move to the sound of my voice. Leave there. Don't. Suspect is secured.
Alive for now. We prefer them breathing when you hand them to us.
Is someone coming to get us?
Entry team to talk. Civilian in custody and secured.
It's so quiet now.
Securing the device.
Scream here. Got nothing.
LSPD, don't move! Down on your goddamn knees now!
Come on, make some noise.
Put your hands up!
I'm not giving
Police, hands up now! Hands up above your head! Let me see those hands!
Fuck.
Hands up! Drop to your knees! Weapons! Hands on your head! Move! Get down on your knees! Hands up! Do it now! Put your hands up! Police, get your hands up! Get on the ground now! Hands up! Do it now! On your head! Now! Get down on your knees! Hands down on the ground now! Hands up! Down on your knees! Police, down on the ground! Hands up now! Put your hands up! Police, don't move!
Drop your gun!
Get down!
Giving up!
Down on your knees! Slow. Move in, toss a bang and clear. Move in, bang the room and clear. Stay down and turn around. Move towards me.
How the fuck am I supposed to get out of here now?
Turn around, keep your hands up.
Fuck!
Talk. We got a suspect here ready for escort.
Containment is a story you tell yourself. One we wrote ages ago.
Hands up! Hands on your head! Keep your hands on your head! Do it now! Get down and keep your hands up! Move forward. I need you to move. Hands up! Above your head! Get down! I want to see head! Get down! Move over here. Stay quiet. Move to the sound of my voice. Move towards me. Move in, bang and clear. Move forward.
Spotted.
You're under arrest. Do not move. I need you to move. Turn around. You need to relax.
Motherfucker!
Ellen at the top. There. Suspect is in. Move over here.
You delivered
Move to the sound of my voice.
We unwrap their fear slowly.
Turn around slowly.
Finally. The truth
Leave the
revealed.
talk. The suspect secured. Move over there.
Containment. The city is the cell. A cage we have built for you.
The hell is going on?
When I get out, the first person I'm coming to see is you. Hey, come back here!
LSP.
Down on your knees! Police, hands up!
All right, all right.
Stay still. Do not move.
You think you're stopping us?
Entertain the talk. We have one suspect in custody.
Talk to all elements.
Move towards me.
Judgment is coming.
It is far too
For every lie, every
chaos. 2 words for the same dance that you keep performing for us.
You're not gonna last another day.
These guys aren't just regular thugs.
Move and stay there.
We're receiving this.
Hands up, asshole! Now! Get down now! Don't make this worse on yourself.
Contact!
Provide cover. Turn around and stay still.
Where the hell did you guys come from?
Talk. We have a suspect in our custody.
Satisfaction isn't what you really want. How vain.
Hey,
It's our
talk to
approval,
about this place.
and you've earned it.
Can you take these off now?
We got people everywhere. There's no place you can fucking hide.
Element to talk. Civilian is standing by for trailers.
Extraction is escape. Who's going to pull you out of this fire now?
Idiots left me for dead. Wait, no, not me. I can talk to the police. They'll listen. How the fuck am I supposed to get out of here now?
Do you feel it? The air shifting.
Look, I'm a reporter. Whatever message you need to get out there, I can do it, okay?
The world you know was a dream built on lies.
I can
Move
pull
the
strings
exit.
at the network. Anything you need.
get down!
Is my camera still good?
They won't watch through the static.
Cover me, disarming the device. Securing the trap. Get down! I want to see hands! Lead to talk. Civilians secured.
Another offering, another sacrifice bound by your hands. We collect them all.
Entry team to talk. Civilian good to go for evac.
Command to D platoon. We'll sweep the world clean of memory.
You got any
Starting
idea
with
who you're
yours.
missing?
Flesh to cone, clone to ash. But the signal will show the way.
God damn it.
Embrace this.
I heard pops and they were screaming.
Counter frequency is up. T-Platoon, move now. We have 2 to 3 minutes before our signal gives out. Find and disarm the trigger man and secure the detonator. Repeat, find and disarm the trigger man.
Tick-tock, David. Join us upstairs in the courtroom for your final test. Better hurry.
A strange man will come to visit you. Don't accept his offer.
You gotta be careful. Those guys, there's something else.
Down on the ground! Move! Drop it and get down! Put your fucking hands up! Get down! Hands up now! Get on the fucking ground! Now! LSPD, don't move! Down on your goddamn knees now! Hands up! Stay where you are.
Contact confirmed.
Turn around, don't get up. Calm down. Relax.
You continue our mission.
Talk. Suspect standing by for transportation.
Let's just talk. Their names vanish in the dark, Judge. Oh.
Stay down and turn around.
Eyes on
Move
the
there.
vessel.
Turn around. Keep your hands up.
We were meant to meet here. Between Judge
Element to talk.
Contact.
Suspect secured.
You bring the law, and we bring the reason. Very well. Prophecy.
Lead to talk. Suspect in custody.
Walking in circles. So much potential. The last stone in a new foundation, pressed by your own steady hand.
Hands up above your head! Let me see those hands! Hands up! Drop to your knees! Hands on your head! Move!
It is only the beginning.
These guys aren't just regular thugs.
Get down on your knees! Hands up! Do it now! Put your hands up! Police, get your hands up! Get on the ground, now! Hands up, do it now! Hands on your head, now! Get down on your knees, hands down on the ground, now! Hands up, down on your knees! Police, down on the
Quit
ground!
wasting time. Lives are on the line.
Yes.
Hands up, now! Put your hands up! Hands on your head!
This a damn joke? I'm getting down, all right?
Keep your hands behind your back.
This some bullshit.
Entry team to talk. Civilian restrained and ready for transport.
This is some serious abuse of power. You think I'm the problem?
Keep your hands up!
God damn it. I'm taking it slow, all right?
Stay calm.
Holy shit, thank you.
Talk. Once the hands on your head, do it now! Get down and keep your hands up! Get on the ground, now!
I'm just press. I'm just
This is
press.
protocol.
I didn't think anyone would come.
Element to talk. Civilian good to go for evac.
You gotta get us out, please. Let us all go and we'll disappear.
Please don't shoot. I'm going
We've
down.
got this under control.
The mayor, I think.
Lead the talk. Civilians
shot
standing
him.
by for trailers.
Hey! Who told you about this place?
Hands up, above your head! Get down, I want to see hands!
We got people everywhere. There's no place you can fucking hide.
Please, don't kill me.
You're the veil that rests over your eyes.
Get down! Down on your knees! Police, hands up! Police, get down! Get down! I want to see hands! Down on the ground! Move! Put your fucking hands up! Police, get down! Hands up now!
I
Drop
can't
to your
leave, not
knees!
yet. Oh, thank God.
I have to cut you
No!
for our safety.
I was here for the presser.
Entry team to talk. Civilian cuffed and ready for trailers.